DATOS, your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to it. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery. First, power down your Lenovo Legion set and disconnect it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. As you lift the panel, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A clean laptop runs more efficiently, so consider using compressed air to blow out any dust. Now, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the socket. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, remove the screw securing the battery in place. Keep these screws organized as you will need them for the new battery. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it is securely attached. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, use your Phillips head screwdriver to reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Before powering on your laptop, it's a good idea to check that everything is secure and in place. Once you're satisfied, flip the laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion set. If everything has been done correctly, your laptop should boot up normally, and you'll be greeted with a fully functional new battery. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Legion 716. Enjoy your enhanced performance and longer battery life. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.